Welcome to another episode of my life. I haven't given it a name, but I'll think of it. Today is 9th of March. Basically that means कि आज से daylight savings शुरू हो गया है. That means कि अगर अभी 12 बज रहे हैं and daylight savings चालू हो गया है, so I lose an hour. मतलब 12 की बजे 1 बजेंगे. तो basically जो time है that will move forward by 1 hour. That is called daylight savings in the US. Every year March में 1 घंटा आगे हो जाती है clock and November में वापस 1 घंटा पीछे हो जाती है. So November में I gain an hour और March में I lose an hour. अभी बज रहे हैं 4:15 and almost जिम जाने का टाइम हो गया और उससे पहले I want to show you today's weight. So today I weighed 124.9. Really excited कि finally मेरा weight 124 में आ गया है. But जिम जाने से पहले I want to show you my protein stack which came in yesterday. Basically I bought 2 protein and the one that I use is Ghost protein. So these are the proteins that I use and I love this protein. मैंने literally सारे proteins try किए हैं. I've tried Dymatize. remember Dymatize का भी है. I'll show it to you. I tried Isopure. I've tried My Protein. But these, trust me, are the best. So ये वाला जो मेरे पास पहले था, ये टब almost खत्म हो गया है. This is coffee ice cream. ये almost खत्म हो गया है. So I bought 2 more. One flavor is Oreo. The other is Marshmallow Cereal Milk. This is the best, trust me. No matter what, I'll pretty much order this every time. The thing is that Ghost protein flavor में थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा calories होती है. If you can see here, Oreo में 150 calories हैं और Cereal Milk में 130 calories हैं. Coffee ice cream में 120 calories हैं. And I didn't like this flavor at all, so don't buy that. But थोड़ी सी calories ज़्यादा होती हैं. Generally बाकी protein में around 100 to 120 calories होती हैं. But इनमें थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा होती हैं. But that is fine. इनका जो taste है, the best you can ever have. And every tub में 26 scoops होती हैं. Pretty much this will last me a month because from today onwards I'm having 2 scoops of protein क्योंकि this is my 10th week and I'm consistent in my gym and consistent with my diet a little bit, although I'm not tracking it, but I'm not having too much of junk food and all that. And मेरे पास एक और protein है which is the Dymatize ISO 100 and इसमें I have the fudge brownie flavor and if you see इसमें 120 calories हैं. ये protein मैंने लिया था but उसके एकदम बाद मैंने ये छोटा protein लिया घोस्ट का just to try it out. मैंने इस घोस्ट के बाद जब मैंने went back to Dymatize मुझे I don't know थोड़ा salty लगने लग गया. I don't know why but थोड़ा सा अजीब लगने लग गया. So ये पूरा almost full है and I'm not having it at all right now. अभी मैं सिर्फ घोस्ट पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ. These protein tubs are the best in the business. I don't know if ऐसा कुछ इंडिया में है. If not, I'll definitely start something. And if you're in the US or Canada or I don't know if they ship to UK, but do order these Ghost protein tubs. Before I discuss things about my week 10, let's go to the gym now.
A few moments later.
So finally last session of week 10 done. अब बनाते हैं protein shake. So I wanted to tell you one thing. जब मैं सुबह उठा काफी लेट उठा मैं I think around 1:30 या कुछ and मेरा जिम जाने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं था. I was feeling very down and I didn't want to make the video as well. But then मैंने कहा कि कोई नहीं, we have decided कि हर वीक वीडियो निकालनी है तो निकालनी है. Then I took some Red Bull. I went to the gym and आज का session was the best session up until now in this year. I don't know like when I went to the gym मुझे अपने आप को पुश करने का काफी मन किया कि I'll go all in today and जो भी exercise I was doing उसका जो last set था I went all in. I did not count the reps and I went till failure and काफी मजा आ गया. मतलब मुझे काफी energized feel हुआ and even cardio में मैं all in गया like 30 minutes of cardio पूरी full speed में and everything. तो basically मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि I know sometimes ऐसा होगा कि you don't feel like going to the gym. Just remember the thing that even if you don't like going to the gym on that day, if you go to the gym करने के बाद you'll always feel amazing. ये वाली चीज़ मैंने नोटिस की है हमेशा. अगर मेरा बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा मैं जाऊँगा and फिर भी at the end I will feel really good क्योंकि I think when you work out at the end कुछ endorphins release होते हैं and you feel amazing. अगर मैं नहीं जाता जिम मुझे ये फीलिंग नहीं होती बेसिकली इतनी अमेजिंग वर्कआउट वाली. तो always go to the gym. Let's try the marshmallow. The best. इसमें actually marshmallow chunks भी हैं. If I show it to you, if you see, इसके अंदर थोड़े colorful marshmallow chunks भी हैं. अब बनाना है मुझे राजमा and पनीर भुर्जी basically next 3 दिन के लिए. I do meal prep ताकि मुझे बाहर से order ना करना पड़े and मैं जैसे ही घर पे आऊँ after office में खा सकूँ. तो let's do that and उसके बाद let's get to the review. So finally I cooked and had some delicious food and I took a bath and now I'm ready. Let's review week 10. So week 10 went pretty well. I went to the gym pretty much every day and right now I'm on a streak of 12 days. I'll put the habit tracker somewhere over here. So 7 days में से 6 days I went to the gym and एक दिन I didn't go to the gym but I did some cardio, some walking outside, roaming around in the neighborhood over here, got some steps in. So going forward my plan is to go to the gym 6 days. On the 7th day I can either do cardio in the gym or I can just roam around in the neighborhood or go to park or something and get some steps in. On the diet side again I am averaging about 2 meals a day because I have to work as well and things get piled up, so I only get to eat 2 meals a day, which is fine. fine because I have to be in a caloric deficit in order to lose fat. But yeah, for now I'm not tracking my calories at all, and I had like a pizza yesterday. I had one more pizza in the middle of the week as well, and my weight did not like go at all up and down. I'll show my weekly weight chart here as well. It was okay, didn't go too up, didn't go too down, and I'm happy that I'm in 124. I'm hoping to get to 123 kgs at the end of the month, which is just what I set out to do, losing 3 kgs per month. I want to push myself a little bit harder, maybe go to 122 or something. So if you want to follow the journey of losing 50 kgs, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.